The majestic mountains that surround us know many secrets. They stand lofty, dignified as witness to the wonders of life's existence. They stay calm, steady as the only constant in the flux of evolution, swaying to the Creator's music. The world over, mountains have been revered as the abode of gods, and the mythological lores that surround them present strong metaphors that goad man to strive for the summit, the Shikhara. Great things are done when man and mountains meet, says William Blake. In India, we have much learning through our Puranic stories, which highlight the role of mountains in our lives. Amidst the snow-peaked Himalayas sits regal Kailasha, abode of the Lord of Lords Mahadeva or Shiva, who meditates here. The most famous story associated with Shiva and the Himalayas is the birth of Ganga. As mythology states, in answer to King Bhagirath appealed to Vishnu to bring down Ganga in order to liberate the souls of 60,000 ancestors. The great god, gratified by Bhagirath's piety, agreed for Ganga to descend upon earth, where she might wash over the ashes of the 60,000, purify them, and permit them to ascend to heaven. There was a problem though. If Ganga merely dropped from heaven, her swirling waters would do untold damage. Therefore, Shiva offered to gently lower the goddess into his hair, which he did, rather cautiously, taking, as it is said, 1,000 years. Safely arrived on earth, Bhagirath guided Ganga across India, where she split into many subsidiaries and successfully washed the ashes of Sagar's ancestors in her sacred waters.
शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो 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 शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शङ्कर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गङ्गाधर शङ्कर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपञ्च रहित निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपञ्च रहित निज गुण निहित निदानन्द निज गुण निहित निदानन्द आनन्द अतिशय अक्षय लिङ्ग आनन्द अतिशय अक्षय लिङ्ग शम्भो भगवति गङ्गे त्रिभुवनतारिणि तरलतरङ्गे शङ्करमौलि निवासिनि विमले मम मतिरास्तं तव पदकमले भागीरथि सुखदायिनि मातः तव जलमहिमा निगमे ख्यातः नाहं जाने तव महिमानं त्राहि कृपामयि मामगानम्। हरिपदपद्मतरङ्गिणि गङ्गे हिमबिधुमुक्ता धवलतरङ्गे दूरीकुरु मम दुष्कृतिभारं कुरु कृपया मम सागरपारं तव जलममलं येन निपीतं परमपदं खलु तेन गृहीतं मातर्गङ्गे तय्यो भक्तः किल तं द्रष्टुं यमनशक्तः पतितोद्धारिणि जाह्नवी गङ्गे खण्डितगिरिवरमण्डितभङ्गे विषजननि खलु मुनिवरकन्ये पतितनिवारिणि त्रिभुवनधन्ये।
According to ancient Vaishnava legends, the Vedic Deva, Indra, was feared by human beings because he would either give the people no rain or flood them if he was not satisfied with their worship, which Krishna found out. He opposed the performance of sacrificial worship for Indra. He emphasized the importance of karma and doing one's duty. This made Indra angry at the boy Krishna.
गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद गोकुलबाल परमानंद गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद गोकुलबाल परमानंद गोवर्धन श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर पावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्द पावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्द पावक भयहर पाहि मुकुन्द गोवर्धन पाडित सुररि पाडित सुररिपु पादप वृन्द पाडित सुररिपु पादप वृन्द पाडित सुररिपु पादप वृन्द पावन चरित परामृत गन्ध पाडित सुररिपु पादप वृन्द पावन चरित परामृत गन्ध नाट्य रसोत्कट नानाभरण सोत्कट नानाभरण नाट्यरसोत्कट नानाभरण नाट्यरसोत्कट नानाभरण नारायण दीदाचित चरण नारायण दीदाचित चरण नारायण दीदाचित चरण गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद गोकुलबाल परमानंद गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोवर्धन
To this day, the mountains stand protecting us from the wrath of Indra while also giving us refuge against enemies. The mountains are also the place of many life-sustaining medicinal plants. One finds many life-giving flora on mountains that envelop man's well-being. The most famous lore depicting this is the story of Hanuman carrying the mountain Dronagiri to bring the magic herb Sanjeevani to revive a mortally wounded Lakshman.
Nadiranad